13, this is the superior orbital fissure. The superior orbital fissure. 14 is Meckel's cave. Meckel's cave. And 15 here is the foramen of Luschka. The foramen of Luschka. 16 here, we encounter this midline bony structure. This is the Crista galli. 16 is the Crista galli. 17, coming into view, this is the pituitary fossa, which, as the name suggests, seats or houses the pituitary gland. 18, this is already the pons. The medulla oblongata inferiorly has already ended, and we now encounter the second of the three parts of the brainstem, which is the pons.